Hi everyone, this is Jalissa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing. If you're interested in seeing what I got, keep watching. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you already haven't subscribed. And leave me a comment and let me know what you think.
Gel hybrid memory foam. What you got?
Help me. This is what it looks like. So this is what the bed looks like. It just has to go up, which I'm gonna put it, it's gonna go up. But here's the mattress and the back spring. And this is a queen size. Bed. And then here is the bottom, the rail to the bed. This just came in, so I just have to put the bed up. From Ross, I got 2 of these organizers, and these were just $6.99. And these are like, it has 3 dividers. So I got 2 of these. From Walmart, I got these organizers, and these are for the cereal. And I think these were like $11. From Home Goods, I got this. It's a chain link and it's like marble and it has the gold. I also have the white one and this was $29.99. From Walmart, I got these sheets and these are queen size and these were just $20. I got 2 of these from Hobby Lobby. They're just really pretty. And they were 50% off. They were originally $6.99. I also got this candle holder and it was $9.99, but it was also 50% off. I also got 2 of these, and these were $12.99, but these were also on sale 50% off. And these are LED candles. From Hobby Lobby, I got 9 of these, and these were on sale for half off. So I think I paid about $4 for these. These are so pretty. I had some from I think like 2 years ago, but I went and got more.